Have you ever wondered how those massive logs, cut deep in the heart of a forest, make their way to our towns and cities? It's a journey that's way more fascinating and challenging than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the world of timber transport, exploring the incredible methods used to move these giants from their stump to civilization. It all starts in the dense, often remote, woodland. Once a tree is felled and delimbed, the real heavy lifting begins. The first and most crucial step is getting the logs from the felling site to a nearby collection point, usually a forest road. This initial stage is called skidding or forwarding. Skidders are powerful vehicles that literally drag the logs along the ground. You'll see them with massive grapples or cables, pulling several logs at once through rough terrain. It's a messy, powerful process. Then there are forwarders. These are like the all-terrain beasts of the forest. A forwarder has a crane to lift and load logs onto its own back. Then it drives them out. This method is often preferred because it reduces soil damage since the logs aren't being dragged. Watching a skilled forwarder operator delicately pick up and stack multi-ton logs is like watching a ballet of heavy machinery. It requires incredible precision and skill. Sometimes, the terrain is just too steep or sensitive for ground vehicles. That's when things go airborne. Helicopter logging, or heli-logging, is an amazing sight. A helicopter hovers over the felling site, and a crew on the ground attaches logs to a long cable. The chopper then lifts the logs and flies them directly to a landing area. It's expensive, but it's the most environmentally friendly method for difficult-to-reach areas, minimizing the impact on the forest floor. Another incredible method, though less common now, is using gravity and natural waterways. In some mountainous regions, loggers construct chutes, which are long, often wooden, slides. Logs are sent hurtling down these chutes to a collection point below. And historically, river driving was the primary way to transport timber. Massive log drives would see thousands of logs floating down rivers to sawmills. It was a dangerous job for the log drivers who had to keep the logs from jamming up. Once the logs reach a forest road or a central yard, the next phase of their journey begins. This is where the big rigs come in. Logging trucks, specially designed with sturdy bunks and trailers, are loaded up. These trucks have to navigate narrow, winding, and often unpaved Forest Service roads, which is a test of skill for any driver. They're carrying immense weight, so safety and expertise are paramount. From there, the trucks might head to a rail yard. For long-distance transport, trains are incredibly efficient. Logs are loaded onto flat cars and can be transported hundreds or even thousands of miles to major processing centers or ports. It's a huge-scale operation, connecting remote forests to the global supply chain. And of course, for international trade, ships are the final piece of the puzzle. At ports, massive cranes load the logs into the holds of cargo ships, ready to sail across oceans to be turned into everything from furniture to building materials. So, from a single tree in a quiet forest to a bustling port, the journey of timber is a marvel of engineering, skill, and sheer power. It's a complex dance between man and machine, all working to bring a fundamental natural resource into our daily lives. Next time you see a wooden chair or a timber-framed house, you'll know the incredible story of how it got there. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this journey as cool as I did, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into how our world works. See you in the next one.